YouTube? Listen, family, it is Sunday night, which means it's almost time to get back in our bag and do what we do. Listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you all, so please keep it locked. More importantly, please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, a couple things, man. This week will be a crazy week in the market. Number one being because of what happened last week. Okay, not to discount or dismiss the week it was and how the week started. Yes, we made a great comeback, but guys, we have to now be on alert as to whether or not we are going to be involved with a bull trap this week or if we're going to go higher. That is why this week will be crazy. Secondly, guys, we got CPI. We got a lot of data points that will be coming out this week that will also dictate the way the market moves this week. Okay, so you can't get your feet stuck in the sand. You can't be overstaying your welcome this week. This ain't the week for that. If you're in calls, once you hit your target, you got to see profit, take profit. Then you might need to pivot when you start seeing the market go down. Long story short, guys, you have to be flexible and nimble this week. That's going to be our word for this week. Flexible and nimble. Okay, that's what this type of market is going to call for if you plan on making any money. Okay, you either gotta be 100% convicted in your thesis, meaning if you're going to buy calls, you gotta purposely be patient and intentional to wait for the market to drop to support and ride it up, and only do that and only do that only, and just boom. Don't try to do nothing else. Okay, if you are going to play both directions, you got to really know where your supports and your resistance levels are at. You have to really know your supply and demand zones this week. Okay, it's going to come down to that if you want to. And then if you want to wait for the market to go up and then them pull the rug from up under you, you have to again wait for confirmation for that to even come to fruition. You can't just get in a put or short the market because it ran up. What if it keep going up? So guys, these are the things that's going to have to be top of mind this week if you plan on making money. But guess what? Coach got you guys covered. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team. Okay, now check this out, guys. I got 3 trade ideas. No, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trade ideas for you guys on today for this week. Okay, number 1 will be Nvidia. All right, this one will be on my radar for continuation to the upside. Okay, I'm still looking for this to go to 107 to 108. Okay, 107. Matter of fact, let me be a little more conservative. 106. It's a range. Listen to this, guys. Write this down. Whenever there's volatility, okay, you have to play ranges because you have to have a buffer in place. Write this down. Whenever there's volatility, you have to play ranges because, so for instance, resistance is at 108.40, but it might get to 106 to 107.52. You see how, yes, that's a double up of your money, number one. But you see how 108 still wasn't achieved. Somebody being greedy and holding out for the absolute dollar amount down to the penny could get the rug pulled all of them, because as soon as it hit 107, boom, it's going to yank back down to 97. Let me know if that analogy makes sense. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to happen, although it could. Okay, but I'm looking for 106 to 108. Okay, to kick the week off. Okay, those levels need to be hit in order for me to know we got more room to go to the upside. Okay, so those are things, number 1, I'll be looking for. And of course, guys, I don't hesitate to pivot. When Wall Street show me how they trying to play, I play right along with them. Oh, y'all trying to go down? Yep. Boom. Switch up the game real quick. Boom. Pick 6, and we take it to the house. So I don't have a problem pivoting, being flexible, or being nimble. The things I want you guys to focus on this week. Everybody put Nvidia on your radar. Okay, I'm looking for upward momentum for the early part of the week. And then potentially if CPI comes out negative or not as expected, I'm looking for that to be the reason they bring it down. Write that down if that is duly noted, okay? Next trade idea I have for you guys is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. This one is sitting at $30 at the time of this recording, okay? It is already at the level that I have set as my price target, okay? So, Coach, what do we do when a stock hits your price target? Guys, this one is on the list today because you have to be the CEO of your portfolio. What does that mean, Coach? What does that mean? In this instance, if you were in this short term with me from $20 to $30, okay, it's time to lock in some profit. So a couple things. We bought calls on this. We bought 25 calls as a family. I'm going to do another one because I got more plays coming up for you guys, okay? You got to let this foolishness shake out the market because I don't want to get you guys in no sticky situation. But we bought calls with this at $20. If you have 5 contracts, for example, you might sell 3 and keep 2. Let me know if that makes sense. If you have shares, we got this at $8, okay? One of the first person to put the whole world on the Palantir. Now all the content creators cover this particular stock, but I had this at $8.69. I don't expect all you guys that's watching today to have been in it with me that low. However, y'all might have been around at 12. Y'all might have been around at 16. I know y'all was around at 20. If you have shares of this in the $20 range, so say for example, we buy between 100 and 1,000 shares minimum of all the stocks we cover on this channel, okay? If you have 1,000 shares, you can sell 500 at this level to lock in some profits and let the other 500 do what it will do. And guess what? If it come back down to 27, 23, it's just going to retrace the same move that I told you it's going to go up. Guess what? When it get back to 20, we just buy another 500 shares at 20 or below. And guess what? It's going to go right back up to these same exact levels again. The market is a vehicle that repeats the same cycles over and over, okay? So this is the kind of work you need to do, okay? In addition to dollar cost averaging, you also need to know when to sell, when to lock in profits. No, you don't have to sell your whole position. The reason why I buy 1,000 shares of everything, because if I go up 100%, if I go up 200%, I'm taking profit on at least half of my shares. And I always keep some in the clip for continued price movement in the upward direction, okay? I always want to be in the market. My money has to always be working for me, so I never sell anything. But I have to lock in profits, guys, because as a retired individual, I don't like to see my money go back down. I work too hard to be too spot on, to buy low, to be patient, to even buy low, for me to let my gains go to waste. So I like to sell half of my position, or like if I have 125 shares, I'll sell the 100 and keep 25. Let me know if that makes sense. Sometimes I'll sell 25 and keep the 100. Depends on the time horizon I'm holding these plays. Palantir is one we got to do some work on, guys. We have hit our price target. Nobody in the game is more spot on than us with calling these plays out in advance, getting the masses involved. I'm talking about tens of thousands of people changing their lives, okay? Major salute to those of you that's in this play. Then, guys, we have the SPY, okay? We have the SPY, and this one is sitting at 532.93 at the time of this recording. Again, given the week and the crash we had last week and the recovery this made, check this out. I think we can go a little bit higher to start the week, okay? I'm thinking we can go a little bit higher. Yeah, they might drop it in the morning, okay? That's to shake you guys up a little bit. Drop it in the morning and then run it up in the midday to the afternoon, end of day, okay? Boom. I can see this getting back to 537 to 539. Remember, I told you it's about ranges in this volatile environment. When volatility in the VIX kicks up, you have to play ranges. 537 to 539.50 is the range. I'm looking for this to go upwards towards. Everything is to the upside until it's not. Okay. You always want to have a glass half full perspective on the market, because ultimately it's a vehicle that wants to go higher. But check this out. Once it get there, I'm already anticipating the shenanigans. I'm already anticipating a rug pull, whether it's CPI, PPI, or Wall Street just doing what Wall Street do. Once they get up there, boom, I'm going to be looking for double tops. I'm going to be looking for wicks, sellers stepping in. I'm going to be looking for hammer candles, all the stuff that Wall Street tries to tell you in terms of signs and signals that it's coming back down. And then boom, I'm looking for it to come back down to 529, this level right here, 532, 520, and all that kind of stuff. And then we'll see where it goes, with how the week goes from there, okay? But between the SPY, PLTR, Nvidia, and Tesla, guys, we have 4 trade ideas on the horizon for tomorrow to kick the week off, okay? I'm going to be watching each of those like a hawk, just to see what the market is trying to do and what they're trying to do respectively, okay? And then from there, I'll have my trading plan to execute on whatever I see. Because guess what? I'm not guessing, I'm not gambling. I'm going to be reacting, okay? And when I react, guys, I'm surgical with it, okay? So listen, man, do me a favor. Make sure you guys get in the Discord first thing in the morning. We will be spot on getting the week started off. Monday sets the tone, so I got to make sure you guys come out the gate making some money, okay? We have to set the tone for the week, so be in the Discord, guys, and then follow the levels to the T that I'm going to give you, all right? I need to make sure you have small victories, because small victories on your journey while you're learning, it builds confidence, okay? Be in a Discord. Everybody else, get on the money team this week. And if you are with me this week, send me a screenshot so that I know. You can text me, you can email me, just say, Coach, I'm in, here's my screenshot. And then boom, I'm gonna send you the plays tomorrow morning at 8:30, so you are locked, loaded, and ready to go. We ain't playing no games, guys. We are coming out kicking butt and crushing the market tomorrow. So please be there or be square, guys. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.